Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Another Ragdoll Kitten this time. Just getting the general shape and kind of measuring things with my eyes as I go. My eyes and my intuition, trusting myself. It's a lot about trusting yourself. And I am going at 2.5 times the speed and voicing over. Shape some things a little better here now. I just get the general idea down and then I start picking out the lines that work and allowing the other lines to just kind of fade away into background tone. Always correcting as I go and really aiming for that rhythm and flow. Give the drawing what it needs. Use the photo as a reference, but give the drawing what it needs. Those little things for character and life. See how that smile connects with that ear up there? You really want to make sure the eyes are lined up properly and they go with the contour of the head, and that's why I get those eye lines in first lightly, so I know what I'm doing. It's a fine dance between trying to get the eyes in an accurate place and also have them look spontaneous, because that's what gives it its life. Just practice, practice, practice. Learn something with every sketch. Carry it forward to the next. Before you know it, you're an accomplished artist. As long as you keep at it. I like the shape of the eyes now. Lovely little toe beans. I just love this pose, how that one little paw is sticking out and showing some toe beans. I just get a suggestion of markings in. Less is more. Always, not just in art, but in life. Now I've sped it up to 10 times the speed, and we'll finish up this drawing. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, and I'll do my best to get it on here. Or just tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live. I'd love to connect with fellow crazy cat artists. Bit of a hip there. And whiskers. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.